দারুণ ভাই, ওখান থেকে আসছিস মনে হচ্ছে কি বলতো টিকি উঠে রয়েছে। Hello viewers, I am Arka once again and I welcome you all to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and tap the bell icon. So why today I am here in front of camera once again? Because today I am going on a short trip.
I am Sonali Roy and we are going on a short trip.
You heard right, we are going on a short trip to Purulia, Ajodhya hill. It's a small trip, like it's a 2.5 day trip. And there I will meet with my two co-riders, Saurabh and Sudipto. Hey, I'm sorry. এটা কি? দারুণ ভাই। মনে হচ্ছে কি বলতো টিকি উঠে রয়েছে। Finally, we are together. We are rolling together. It's although 4 p.m. So I think it will take around 9 to 10 p.m. for us to reach the hotel. Stay tuned. Is setting rapidly. It's getting dark. Earlier I was telling that sun was setting rapidly. Now look at the horizon. The sunset is complete now. Today it is Dusshera. The statue of Ravana will set ablaze. On top there is moon as the witness. It's a ritual among Hindus originated in the era of Ramayana. You can see the surroundings getting darker, making it impossible to record some good footage using camera. It is absolutely dark now. We'll come back tomorrow with good views of Ajodhya. Good evening friends. We have arrived at Jambuni, before Jhargram. So we have stopped here. We have some snacks. This is the shop where we are going to have some snacks like egg toast or something like that, and we will have some tea also.
হচ্ছে মনে না জারে 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 খোকন সোনা বড় সাইজটা বড় আছে তো
করেই বড় মাছ
দেখেছো
টেস্টি